Today we'll begin our session with a poem. Let's read this poem. Come to the window, my baby, with me, and look at the stars that shine on the sea. There are 11 little stars that play poo peep with 4 little reindeers far up in the sky, and 2 little frogs cry nip nip nip. I see a dear baby that should be asleep. What a lovely poem, right, kids? Now answer these questions. First, how many stars are there in the picture? Let's count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 little stars. Next question is, how many little reindeers are there in the sky? There are 1, 2, 3, 4 little reindeers in the sky. How many frogs are there in the poem? There are 2 little frogs in the poem. How many babies are there in the poem? So there is only one dear baby in the poem. So we have seen that there is one baby and more than one star, reindeer and frog in this poem. So today we will be learning more about one and many words. So our topic for today is English language, chapter number 4, one and more than one. Let's start. Naming words can be names of one or more than one person, place, animal or thing. We have already studied naming words is known as nouns. So, noun can be the name of any one or more than one person, place, animal or thing. Like, you can see in the image 1 star, 3 stars, 1 girl, 4 girls, 1 cat, 2 cats. When we talk about one person, place, animal or thing, we use the singular form of the noun. That is, when we specify only one person, place or animal, thing, we use the singular form of noun. We use the word a, an or one before the singular noun. Now let us see what is a singular noun. Means one person. There is only one policeman in this image. So, it's a singular noun. One nurse. So, it is also a singular noun for one person. One place. A shop. A post office. One animal. A dog. An elephant. That is a singular form of noun for animals. One thing. A doll. An orange. Here, the naming words show only one person, place, animal and thing. And hence, these all are singular noun. Naming words of 2 or more persons, places, animals or thing is known as plural noun. It is more than one. Okay? So it is the plural form of the noun. If there is one person, it is singular, single, and if it is more than one, that is 2 or more, it's plural, many, plural form of noun. We often to make its to the singular form of noun to make its plural form. That is an apple. Singular noun, apple, for only one apple is there. To make its plural form, we have added s. 4 apples, s. A bird. This is the singular form of a bird. To make it plural, we have added birds, s. So there are more than one birds. 1, 2, 3. 3 birds, s. So it is the plural form of a bird. Let us see a few more examples. more than one person. Can you see in the image? There are how many kings? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kings. S is added because there are more than one king in the image. 2 doctors. S is added than one doctor in the image. Now next is more than one place. 6 shops. S, more than one shop. So it is written 6 shops. 5 hills. More than one animal. 3 giraffes. 2 tigers. These are the plural form of giraffe. One giraffe, the plural form is giraffes, whereas the plural form for one tiger is tigers. More than one thing. Tree is a singular form, and when we add s to the word tree, it becomes trees. So there are how many trees? 4 trees. Now 2 oranges. S. So let us add s to few words and see. Now boat. If I add s to the word boat, it becomes boats, more than one. Okay, now next is car. C-A-R, car. If I add the word s to the word car, it becomes cars. That is more than one cars. Next is pencil. If I add s to the word pencil, it becomes pencils. That is more than one. Okay, now moving to the next part. We also add es to the naming words ending with s, ss, sh, ch, o, x. For example, if the noun ends with o, for example, take potato, tomato. The noun which ends with sh, that is brush, ends with ch, beach. Okay, box ends with x. For these word, we use es to make it plural form instead of only s. Now see, the first word is one bus. It ends with s. So here there are how many bus? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 buses. B-U-S-E-S. I have not written only s. Here it is written es because this naming word ends with s. So instead of only s, we have written es. Let us see few more examples. One box. The plural form of box become 3 boxes. Es. One watch. Ch. The word ends with ch. So here we have written 8 watches. Es. One tomato. O. It ends with o. So the plural form of one tomato is 3 tomatoes. Es. Now add es to these words. Now if there is potato and if I add es to the word potato, it becomes potatoes. That is more than one. Princess. P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S. Princess. If I add es to the word, it becomes princesses. So there are more than one princesses here. More than one princess. Now next is brush. If I add es to the word brush, it becomes brushes. That is more than one. So kids, moving to the next part, that is, we have learned in this chapter, noun can either be singular or plural. Singular noun talks about one person, place, bird or thing, and plural nouns talk about more than one person, place, animal, bird or thing. We can form the plural of a noun by adding s and es accordingly. So let us solve few exercise. Exercise first. Fill in the blanks by adding S to the naming words. Now here in this image you can see one frog. The first one is already done. 3 frogs. S is added. Now one lion. And here how many lions are there? 2. So it becomes 2 lions. 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 One car. Here how many cars are there? 4. So it will become 4 cars. C-A-R-S. Cars. One parrot. So here how many parrots are there? 7 parrots. P-A-R-R-O-T-S. One banana. So the plural form of banana will be 5 bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Bananas. Now moving to the next exercise. Look at the pictures and circle the right words. Now you have to look at the picture and you have to say whether the picture is of singular noun or the plural noun. So here there is only one watch. So it will become watch, not watches. So you have to circle this word, watch. Sorry. Second, so here are many boxes. So one box? No. Boxes. You will write the word boxes. Third, there are how many kings? 1, 2, 3. 3 kings. S. So you will write this word. How many peaches are there? 2. More than 1. So not peach. It will come peaches. P-E-A-C-H-E-S. Peaches. Fifth one. You can see many sticks here in the picture. So it will come S-T-I-C-K-S. Sticks. So you will write for fifth one, you will write sticks. Sixth one, there is only one well in the picture. So you are going to write the word well. Fox or foxes? Yes, it's fox. F-O-X, fox. There are how many baskets are here? Only one basket. So basket instead of baskets. So you will write the word basket. So here we come to the end of this chapter and the exercise as well. Kids, the books which you are maintaining for the subject English grammar, in that you have to mention today's date, write chapter number, exercise A and B. You have to write it down. Okay? And if you will get any of the homeworks, you have to do in the same book. Thank you. Have a good day.